Hi everyone. Okay, no painting from me today, I'm afraid. Hope you don't mind. But I wanted to shoot a short video just to have something to share with you guys. Couple of things I wanted to talk to you about. First of all, some of you might remember I did a tree swipe quite a while back. If you don't recall it, I'll pop a link in the description box below. But yeah, it had some, oh, hello. It had some real issues with the paints cracking as it was drying, but it was such a beautiful painting. So I did a fair bit of correcting of or hiding those cracks, and you can see that in the video as well. But I still wasn't quite happy with it. So obviously I had to go and resin it. Now, as things might be, sometimes a painting becomes, one of those things just, really makes you work for it. I'm laughing now, but I wasn't at the time. The first coat of resin, what I tried to do is tape the edges and have just a layer on top. As you would have it, the resin somehow made its way between the tape and the edge of the painting. So that was a complete mess. So I sanded the sides. I painted them a dark brown, I believe, just to match the colors of the painting itself. And then went again. But this time, what I was using as a support to make sure the canvas doesn't sag in the middle kind of gave up halfway, and I ended up with those sort of really rubbish looking sides, or sort of the corner where the edge meets the top. So one more go, so it now has 3 coats of resin, and I actually did a little let's go have a look video, which is probably in the wrong orientation if I recall, but I'll play it for you anyway. Good morning from Finland. Okay, it's 5 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Yesterday, around 5 p.m., I re-resined one of my tree swipes. I love it, but it really needed a resin finish. And I had an issue with the first coat where my backing wasn't sort of wedged in well enough. So I had one of those, bumpy edges. So here is the moment of truth, and I thought I'd share it with you. I sanded the previous coat of resin yesterday. There's a picture of that on the screen now. So wish me luck. Let's go have a look. Okay, right, the edges. Oh, phew, it's looking good. That is looking good. Yeah, 12 hours. It's obviously not cured, but it's perfectly dry to the touch. Yes, the edges are awesome. Oh, I'm so pleased. Sorry about the glare of the ceiling light there. But look at that TOP, which I can't remember what it is now. But I will have a look. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so glad I spent all that time and effort on this piece. So, yeah, very happy with that. Let me know what you think. Okay, speak to you soon. Bye. What did you think? Was it worth the save? I'd say it was. When you go close up, you can still make out the cracks. But in all honesty, in real life, the light color doesn't come through at all. The sort of dark colored hiding of those cracks, in my opinion anyway, works really well. But I'd love to hear what you think. Was it worth the save? Was it worth all the hassle and copious amounts of resin? So yeah, leave me a comment about that. But second thing I wanted to talk about is I am having a massive sale of all the paintings I currently have available. Reason being, I am selling my house, not moving too far, still within the same county, but I could really do without moving all those paintings with me. So yeah, if you fancy it at all, I'll pop a link in the description box below for the Facebook group I created for the sales. But before I go, let's have a little carousel of all the things I have for sale. What did you think of that? Lots of quite a few paintings. It's not actually anywhere near everything I have, but those are the ones I could see myself putting together for this occasion. So which one's your favorite? Let me know. And yeah, like I said, if you fancy it, there is the link in the box. So do come and join the group and see if you'd like to grab something for yourself or a loved one for a present. Christmas is coming. Anyway, I will be announcing, the group, it has all the paintings with their normal pricing currently. And I will be announcing the sale percentage a little bit later this week. So hopefully see some of you there. And thank you so much for being here with me today, even though it wasn't a painting video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah, leave me a comment and a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I will see you very soon with an actual painting video. Bye for now.